Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Mi Note 10. In the box, you'll find the Mi Note 10, some instruction manuals, a basic protective case, a 30-watt fast charger with a cable, and a SIM eject tool. The 5-megapixel telephoto camera includes 10 times hybrid zoom, which means it can produce high-quality images. The 12-megapixel 2x camera is best for natural-looking portraits. With its 108-megapixel camera, the Mi Note 10 offers you more details in your photos than ever before. You can capture the full view anytime, anywhere with the ultra-wide-angle camera. With the Super Macro camera, you can get close up to any subject that you want to capture. Mi Note 10 also features 960 frames per second macro slow-motion videos. Mi Note 10 features a 3D curved AMOLED display. Now you can listen to music while you're charging Mi Note 10. What's more, Mi Note 10 features not only dual flash, but also dual soft light, so you can produce perfect portraits in low-light conditions. Mi Note 10's 5,260 mAh battery can last more than 2 days of moderate usage. It also supports 30-watt fast charging, which means in 65 minutes you can charge to 100%. This is the Mi Note 10, world's first 108-megapixel penta camera.